should do diploma after 10th. Like, what are my suggestions? Basically, there are not more channels on YouTube like the students who are doing diploma. Thing else, you cannot be all dependent on diploma that कि मुझे placement मिल ही जाए.
Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
But ऐसा ही ऐसे placement नहीं मिलेगी. You have to.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
And it's not like that normal coding कर लिया, hello world का program लिख लिया. Hi. Disclaimer of this video, please ignore my voice because it's not coming out of my throat. I don't know if you can hear me, or maybe should I do Bluetooth? So this video is like very random thing, मतलब very random vlog which I like decided. Basically I was gonna, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत दिनों से एक long form video shoot नहीं की है, ना मैंने कुछ डाला है. So I just wanted to shoot a long form video because of, और अभी मैंने वो मेरे YouTube पे न्यू सीरीज भी स्टार्ट की है, तो उसके चक्कर में मैं मतलब मेरे से वो भी नहीं हो रही. फर्स्ट थिंग तो आई एम नॉट कंसिस्टेंट इन दैट थिंग ऑल्सो, और मेरे से लाइक एक फुल लेंथ वीडियो भी नहीं मतलब होना. सो it's like life sucks. It's a Saturday night and a Sunday morning, you can say, because it's already 12:11. It's 11 past 12. And let me show you this. This looks very Pinterest coded, I guess. Wait. Do you see that? I swear it was not planned. मैंने ये कुछ भी ऐसे रखा नहीं. It was very natural. So basically this I wanted to show you. Okay, so and main thing मेरे को अभी click हुआ. I want to reply to this comment. Like I received it like a week back, I guess. And when I read that, I just feel so like, I just feel so happy because this comment, whenever I receive these kind of comments, I just feel, very much motivated to, I just feel like I'm doing the right thing. I'm gonna reply to this comment tomorrow. Like, kal aaram se, I will explain you what the thing. So yeah, I will meet you guys tomorrow. I think it's like time to sleep now. I think I should sleep, or I will continue watching my Tarak Mehta. Okay guys, bye, and watch this video till end because I think it's gonna be interesting. Yes, thank you. I will meet you guys tomorrow, and good night. Bye. Life sucks. No problem, I don't got nobody, just me, you. nobody like you. Hi everyone, and this is the official day, and I mean it's a Sunday, and good morning. So yeah, I'm not clear in my mind that what am I going to do today and in this video, but and my voice is not cleared yet, so please bear this at least for at least till this video. From next video, I'm sure I'm gonna be okay, and I have my diary here. I want to make to-do list for today because to-do list से कैसे थोड़ा organized हो जाता है, हमें पता चल जाता है कि what we have to do today. Man, I cannot speak. My throat hurts. Okay, so let's make our to-do list for today, and I have to think a lot. यार, I don't want to study यार. एक ही संडे मिलता है और उसमें भी आपको पढ़ाई करनी पड़े तो वो संडे किस काम का? So this diary has a lot of shitty stuff, so we are gonna ignore that and let's start fresh. Okay guys, let's see what task I have to do today. What is date? Today Sunday 28th. What? 20th July. So 20. We are done with our to-do list. Wait, let me just set my hairs. So we are done with our to-do list, and first I'm gonna do my assignment because उसका ही अभी मतलब अभी तो मेरे पास उसके ही answers है, and ignore the background noise if it is there. So I have these 3 notebooks और 200 pages एक assignment के लिए, मतलब it's very dumb I guess. So I have these 3 notebooks. These 3 are very pretty. So let's decide. तो मुझे DT के लिए बनानी है, like digital techniques के लिए. So digital techniques के लिए it's the least favorite subject. But Thor is my favorite. But this kind of doesn't give vibe as like this two. These two are like, these are my favorite colors. I love red, but ठीक है. Why am I doing like that challenge? So let's make this one be. Try फर्क पड़ता है, किसी में तो लिखना ही है. Okay, let's go. So guys, there's a quick change in plan. DT के जो assignment के answers है वो मेरे पास नहीं है, and DT if you know वो ऐसा थोड़ा mathematics टाइप का सब्जेक्ट होता है. सो और आई वॉज एबसेंट इन 2 lectures of DT, सो मेरे पास उसके कंप्लीट नोट्स भी नहीं है, सो आई कैन नॉट डू दैट. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू डू OOP की असाइनमेंट, विच इज दिस वन. OOP मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग. सो आई एम गोना डू दिस वन क्योंकि ये सबमिट भी करनी है कल. तो या लेट्स डू दैट.
왜 이러니 너만 떠오르고 힘든 일에도 웃음만 나오고 대체 내게 무슨 짓을 했어. 모두 이상하게 날 쳐다봐. 감추려 해도 어쩔 수 없는 걸, 멈추려 해도 그럴 수 없는 걸. 하루 종일 가득해져버린 너를 이제 멈출 수 없는 걸. My God.
Guys, filter को ignore करना because I was looking too pale because I got my periods right now. Be stable. Because I got my periods right now, and right now मतलब like मैं जब सुबह उठी तभी थे. So my back is hurting a lot, and I have to complete my assignment. I am done with half, मतलब I'm almost there. सिर्फ 2 और 3 ही क्वेश्चन बाकी है I guess. So we are gonna complete that, but for now I need some rest. I have to rest my back because अगर मैंने नहीं किया तो वो टूट जाएगी. Sorry, it's like too much. So yeah, like let's just rest for now, and then we are again gonna continue. I think I should do lunch now, but it's just 11:42, so let's see. At least I should rest for now. Guys, this is my lunch. This is a dal and ये दो ट्रायंगल वाले पराठे नहीं होते वैसा है. So yeah guys, I just completely forgot that I wanted to reply to this comment. So let's do it now. So first thing, keep making your videos. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you guys are liking my videos. Of course I'm gonna keep making it because it's just like my passion. When I was small also, now I used to take my mother's phone and I used to film that, which was very silly. But yeah, I'm glad that I get to make videos now, so I'm very much happy. And next thing, a second thing, that if you should do diploma after 10th, like what are my suggestions? So it's like completely dependent upon your preferences, what you prefer. If you have that potential capability to do 11th, 12th and do JE and to like that, but I don't think ki you should do JE, then get selected into best college, then you do. It's like my opinion, okay? It's totally my opinion. I'm not saying ki do that, but I feel diploma is like the best. I cannot say it as a best way, but it is like the easy way that you can go into your career as quick as if you want to. Like if you don't want to study much, just to complete your diploma and तब भी आपको बाद में प्लेसमेंट मिल सकती है. बट ऐसे ही प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलेगी. You have to have some skill in you. Like if you're doing computer engineering, you have to know coding. And it's not like that normal coding कर लिया, hello world का प्रोग्राम लिख लिया. It's not like that. You have to learn coding very deeply because it's not easy. So I would just say do what you love. If you want to do diploma, just don't think about others, that what people are saying ki diploma is just so boring, or I think diploma is very underrated. That's why. So abhi zyada hype like 11th 12th ko hi hai. So do diploma yaar. If you love, do it. It's like really very nice opportunity to get into your career. Yeah, I'm repeating the same thing, but yeah, it is, so that's why I'm repeating it. So yeah, but you have to you know you have to make your mindset like that कि yeah, I'm gonna do diploma, but with that I also have to do something else. You cannot be all dependent on diploma that कि मुझे placement मिल ही जाएगी. No, अगर आपको आगे डिग्री करनी है तो it's very nice, you can go. बट आपको एक साइड बाय साइड एक माइंड भी चलाना पड़ता है कि मुझे ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. सो या बहुत हो गए. अभी मुझे वो टेड टॉक वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, जो स्टॉक्स रहते हैं वैसे. तो या that's it I wanted to say. And my back is not like covered yet, so I think I should start to write our assignment. It's just 1 to 2 question. अब बेड पे ही लिखते, चलो बेड पे ही लिखते हैं. Let's do it here only. I cannot sit there. Let me just bring that stuff.
나와 함께라면 좋을 텐데 모든 걸 다 준대도 바꿀 수 없고 모두 다 잃어도 괜찮은 난 이제 어떻게 지도가에 빠졌어.
Guys, I'm feeling very hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna make some Maggie for me. मुझे पहले देखना पड़ेगा घर में मैगी है या नहीं, so then we will make Maggie. Guys, I found one packet. मेरे ही नाम का पड़ा था शायद. So let's make this.
귀찮아졌어 너 아닌 일들은 시시해졌어 너 아닌 사람은 대체 내게 무슨 짓을.
So guys, our Maggie is cooking. So meanwhile, I'm gonna charge my phone because मैं सुबह से shoot कर रही हूँ. इसकी charging बहुत ही कम है. and I think you can barely listen me, so I'm gonna charge my phone and I will meet you guys when my Maggie will get cooked. मेरी मैगी जल गई बिकॉज मैं रख के भूल गई, तो मैंने अभी जितनी अच्छी थी उतनी निकाली है, सो वी हैव टू मेक दिस वर्क. गाइज आई जस्ट कंप्लीटेड माई असाइनमेंट, और एक असाइनमेंट इतनी बड़ी थी, वो लास्ट के 2-3 क्वेश्चन थोड़े ज़्यादा बड़े थे, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ी देर लग गई. एंड वाइल आई वॉज डूइंग दिस आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू सेंट्रल सीज कॉन्सर्ट. रुको मैंने म्यूट किया.
모두 나보고 변했다잖아 말까.
I wanted to shoot a short video, but अभी मेरा कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I just want to do rest. I just want to scroll through my phone, which I'm doing, okay, which I'm doing from past 1 hour. एक असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर ली तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने जग जीत लिया है. जग तो
나와 함께라면 좋을 텐데 모든 걸 다 준대도 바꿀 수 없고 모두 다 잃어도 괜찮아. Now send the address through, kid. Now this girl want me and her huge, let's fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
It's too hard. Guys, वीडियो पे गिव अप करके आई एम ऑन टेरेस एंड इट्स व्हाट टाइम? Oh, it's 7:07 and it's still not dark. See how nice it is looking, and my shade. See guys how nice. Okay, let me just give you the overview of all the sky, and the background is looking so nice. Watch me girl. It's very peaceful here. मेरे को ऐसा मन नहीं कर रहा कि मैं अभी घर पे जाऊँ.
이제 어떻게 지독하게 빠졌어.
क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई? So guys, with the good note in this good evening, I would like to end this video here because I don't think there is anything interesting ahead. I will just complete my to-do list. I will edit this video, and that is on our to-do list. If you remember, we wrote. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it was nothing, just life update. Life update में क्यों दूँ, but ठीक है, it's just a random video, and I hope you guys loved it, and do subscribe if you haven't yet. So yeah, I will meet you guys in the next video. Until then, keep loving, keep supporting, and watch my college series.